Dashes will be owned by Ma'am Janine Coriano.
She is Mutya number 4. The next special award we have Johnny Auto Supply Choice Award.
The fact of Johnny Auto Supply Award is given by the owner of the business, Mr. Johnny Coriano.
Barangay Mayor Iloilo, our Johnny Auto Supply Choice Award is Mutya number. Please step forward. Mutya 1. Our sponsors for this year's pageant. Thank you so much. Next special award we have Hotel Vigahela Choice Award.
The staff has been owned by the Honorable S.K. Kawan Granel Alpani.
Hotel Vigahela Choice Award goes to Sino Mutya number 6. Coming from all of our sponsors. The next special award is Don Macchiaro's Choice Award.
The staff is being owned by Honorable S.K. Kawan Archie Mamoy.
Our Don Macchiaro's Choice Award goes to Mutya number. Please step forward. Mutya 10. The next special award we have RD Eusebio Choice Award.
The staff has been owned by Mr. and Mrs. Ronnie Delphine.
Our RD Eusebio Choice Award goes to Mutya number 3.
Let's get it. Barcelona, come on.
Special award is Hotel Hexandria Choice Award.
A gift certificate of an overnight stay to Hotel Alexandria is to be given by Manager Ma'am Janessa Marie Acelerio Gonzalo.
Our Hotel Hexandria Choice Award is Mutya number. Congratulations, Ladies' chance 4 goes to Mutya. Number. Guys, I can hear you again. Number. She is Mutya, number 5. The next special award is Dr. Elmer Sajam Abay's Choice Award.
This statue is imposed by Dr. Vida Abay and by Mrs. Jotona Akino.
Dr. Elmer Sajam Abay Choice Award is Mutya number. Congratulations, Mutya number 3. Congratulations! The next special award is one of the significant awards, which is our Miss Photogenic.
The statue of Miss Photogenic is revealed by Honorable Michael Smith. And this picture is revealed by our official photographer, Mr. MJ Jalil Batas.
However, this year's Miss Photogenic is given to a candidate who got the best photo. Who do you think is our Miss Photogenic? Let's find out as we reveal this spring. Our Miss Photogenic goes to congratulations! Let's move on to the next special award. Is our Miss Telegenic.
The statue of Miss Telegenic is revealed by Miss Lyra Cardinal.
This year's Miss Telegenic is given to a candidate who projects herself well in front of the camera. Our Miss Telegenic goes to the number. Mutya number 12. Congratulations, Mutya 12, our this year's Miss Telegenic. The next special award is our Miss People's Choice Award.
The statue is imposed by Mom Ernest and
Miss People's Choice Award is Mutya. Mutya 13. on to our minor awards. The next special award to be given is A. Barley's Choice Award.
The stash of A. Barney to be hosted by Mom Mary and the Queen.
A. Barley's Choice Award is no other than Mutya number. Congratulations, Mutya 13. Salamat po sa lahat po ng ating sponsors making this pageant more special. Maraming salamat. The next special award we have Kutsarita's Choice Award.
The stash of Miss Kutsarita is to be posed by Mom May Akbar.
Kutsarita's Choice Award is Mutya number 6. Once again, Mutya number 13. Ladies and gentlemen, the crown is within reach. After these special awards will be the announcement for our minor award winners. So please stand by, people of Barangay New Iloilo. Happy 74th crowning anniversary and 3rd Farmers Festival. Congratulations! The next special award we have Random Replay and Foodie's Choice Award.
The stash is to be posed by Engineer Cyril Atanoso.
Our Random Replay and Foodie's Choice Award is Mutya. Congratulations, Mutya 7. Congratulations, Mutya 7. The last special award to be given is, of course, Miss Greek's Food House Choice Award.
The 2,000 cash is to be given by our FP Chairperson, the Honorable Charles Capullo.
And of course, this award is from the CEO, Mr. Greg Bautista,